Slow close no slam hinge for users' convenience. Unique easy liftoff feature allows for quick removal and replacement of seat and cover for easy cleaning of toilet without any tools. Ever clean surface. Solid plastic seat with cover. Fits most conventional elongated toilets. Attractive design coordinates with popular bathroom decor. Includes bottom mounting hardware. This attractive seat has a versatile design that coordinates well in a variety of bathroom decor. This exceptional toilet seat is a great way to top off a high-performance Champion toilet. Slow close hinges prevent seat slamming, and helps to keep little fingers from getting caught. Lift-off hinges make it easy to remove and clean. Top reviews from the United States. Like the quiet. I just hope it's not like the one it replaced as it became all moldy after about 10 years, other than that it functions well and is easy to install. Haven't tried the easy release yet, but looks like a good feature for cleaning.